To customize the background, in the header, we'll click on background. We have two options. We can add a background image or we can change the color. If we want a solid color, we can simply just change the color by clicking on the current color and selecting the color that we would like to use. If the particular color that you would like to use isn't available, you can add a custom one by clicking Add Custom, and you can put in the hex code of the particular color that you would like to use and click Add Color. For all items, backgrounds, photos, fonts, buttons, you can add custom colors for your branding, but everything throughout the page reflects your specific brand colors. If you would like to add an image, you can do so by clicking this button, which will bring you to your media storage. If you've added any photos, you can select from any of the photos that you've already added, or you can upload a new photo by clicking the Upload button and searching for the file on your computer. You can also connect to Google Drive if you have a Google Drive where all of your assets are stored, and create folders if you have different classes of assets to keep your assets organized. There's also a number of stock options that you can select from. To get to those options, select the drop-down that says My Media, and you can choose from a selection of preloaded gradient and textured backgrounds, or you can use stock picture options like Unsplash and Pixabay and search for terms that will bring up stock photos that you can use. To use a photo, you can click the dots and copy the link or add image to your media so that the image appears in your media items. But since we've copied the link, we can just simply paste the link in the URL and the picture will appear. When using a photo for the background, there's also a number of options you have for how the image will be displayed. It will default to full center, but you can click through the other options to see the other options that are available that you might like to use. Finally, we can pair a photo with opacity and dictate between light, half, or heavy opacity if we would like to add a different feel to the photo. When you've selected the background that you would like to use, simply close the pane, be sure to save, and move on.